Hi everyone, I've been digging around some old content and well, as a creator, we have the ability to record way too much and use about 3% of it. And with Halloween approaching, I thought I'd go through some of last year's Oogie Boogie Bash videos, and I thought this could easily be a mini vlog, so enjoy.
Even though we've been here before, like getting wet. It's like new to us. Yeah.
Enjoy your stay with us.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
Oh, you have it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So just book it.
Okay, and then.
Here, you do it. Let's go.
What's the other one? Where'd you go?
Tip board.
Okay.
And then do Guardians. Oh, look at the horseman. If I rated? You're not used to that, right?
No.
Oh, mine did too just now. You know where to go?
No.
It's Minnie. Hi, Minnie. Hi.
Look, he's holding a pumpkin.
Oh, that's so cool.
These people are nuts. It is 60 degrees outside. And nah, they're bugging. I think here's good. Or you want to get closer?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Whoa! The sweet stuff.
Someone's out.
I've never seen him out before. Literally, bro.
He's off for this one right now. We'll be back in about an hour.
Okay. Thank you. We gotta come back in an hour.
I'm gonna watch this game. Oh, that.
It does.
Oh, jeez. We're just gonna get higher, man.
I think if you watch long enough, the third yellow light blinks slower. That's a quote from the movie. Is there any shows coming soon?
I think Spider-Man shows.
There's web slingers over there.
Thank you.
Ms. Romanoff, the arc reactor has been secured safely inside the plane reactor. It's in the jet. Let's go. Yes,
Let me get a picture.
Ghost pepper turkey leg. It's so hot. Look at it.
Okay. You ready?
Oh, it's so good.
Is it spicy?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna be able to finish all of it?
It's just hot. It just makes it worse. Oh.